Hello, today let's talk about the sound system of your Epson WorkForce WF-2650 printer. We have a lot of possibility to edit our sound here, make the volume up, make the volume down, or switch it off as you like. So how we perform this? We go nearly, and now we enter into our printer while it is running. Go down to the setup menu. Go down to the printer setting, the common settings. Now you can see there is sound. Oh yeah, let's perform the sound setting. Now we have here the button press setup. Okay, let's perform this. You see and hear it. Okay, up to 10 is possible. Or go down to 0 and then it will switch off. Okay, good job. To switch, okay. Then the next arrow notice. The volume level of your error is now switched to, for example, 5. You can choose as you like, okay? Choose this. Compilation notice is the same thread with another beep tune as you hear it, okay? You can go up to 10. Then, the ringtone. The ringtone. You can switch between the level O, switched off, or 10 to switch on. This is of course for fact. So ringtone, receiver. Okay, the fax setting should be edited because this is the fax. And the sound type, a melody or a beep sound. Let's switch to beep. Yeah, now it's beep and this is melody. I prefer melody more. But this is up to you. So you see, you can make a lot of sound settings, and of course you can switch all sound from this Epson printer off if you need it. That's how the setup of your sound level is be editable in the WorkForce WF-2650 printer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.